Hello everyone, welcome to another video by Febby's Tutorials. Our aim is to help you grow wings and fly. Today's topic of discussion is countable and uncountable nouns. Oh, I know that, Mr. Febby. That's very easy. I'm sure you find it easy, but we have got friends out there who find it difficult or they find it confusing. You might also find some words confusing. Let us help you clear all your doubts. What are nouns? Nouns, for us, we have created an acronym, and that acronym is PANT. What is PANT? P is places, A is animals, N is names, and T are things. So nouns are places, animals, names, and things. Simple, isn't it? Let's have a look at what are countable nouns. When we talk about countable nouns, you know it. Anything that you can count is a countable noun. If you look at the list of words we've written there, all of them can be counted. You can count your fingers. You can count apples, hats, cars, phones, cups. They are all countable nouns. Very simple. Did you notice something here? We have put all these nouns and they all start with a lowercase letter. So all our common nouns could be seen here in countable and uncountable nouns. What are common nouns? Oh, don't worry about that. We will leave a link to a video on common and proper nouns in the description. What are uncountable nouns? Now that you know what are countable nouns, uncountable nouns are those which cannot be counted. If you look at these words, can you actually count them? You might come back to me and say, yes, we can, can't we? Tell me, can you actually? Unless and until you make an exception for these? No, you can't. You can't count wood. You can't count love. You can't count butter. You can't count music. You can't count water unless and until we use two specific rules. Some of these uncountable nouns can be made into countable nouns by either adding a word which is used for counting, like a bottle of water, a slice of bread, a can of milk, or we can use a word used for measurement, a kilogram of sugar. Draw a line of 5 centimeters. How far is this place from our home? It is 10 miles away. A kilogram of potatoes. Get me 100 gram worth of spices. That makes it a countable noun. Let's have a quick test. Tell me, are these countable or uncountable? Come on, Mr. Febby, we can count bananas. Yes, you can. What about this? It says weather. You can't count weather. You can see the temperature, but you can't count it, can you? What about air? Can I count it? Obviously not. So it becomes uncountable. What about chairs? I can definitely count them, can't I? Now here's a tricky one. What about cheese? I can count it if I say a block of cheese or a packet of cheese. But if you're just going to talk about cheese, no, then it becomes uncountable. We will be uploading a lot of such videos to help you learn things better. For more information, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website febistutorials.co.uk.